In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Notion calendar to Google Calendar, a frequently asked question among users. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your schedules showing up seamlessly across both platforms, ensuring you never miss an important date. Let's start by showing a Google Calendar inside a Notion page. This is a great way to keep all your events and tasks accessible in a single location. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Google Calendar in your web browser. It's important to do this from the web version, as we'll need to access specific settings there. Now look for the gear icon at the top right of your screen and click on it to go to the settings menu. It's a handy spot where you can fine-tune a variety of things about your calendar's behavior. Next, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of your calendars. Choose the one you want to integrate with Notion, then scroll down until you find the section labeled Integrate Calendar. In this section, you'll see the public URL to this calendar. Go ahead and copy that URL. Now switch over to your Notion page. In Notion, type the command /embed. This little command is super useful for adding external content to your Notion pages. Paste the Google Calendar URL you just copied and hit enter. Voila! Your Google Calendar is now embedded inside your Notion page. However, keep in mind that this is a view-only version. While it's great for checking dates, you won't be able to make any edits directly from Notion. Next, let's look at how to connect a Notion database calendar to Google Calendar using Zapier. This is especially handy if you shop for a more dynamic link between the two apps. First, head over to Zapier, a wonderful tool for automating tasks between apps. You'll need to create what they call a zap, which is essentially an automation between two apps. In Zapier, click on Create a Zap. For your trigger app, select Notion and choose the event New Database item. You'll need to connect your Notion account and select the particular database you want to sync. Next, set your action app as Google Calendar and choose the event Create Event. Now you'll need to map out how your Notion fields correlate to Google Calendar fields. For instance, your title field in Notion will match the event name in Google Calendar. Similarly, your date in Notion becomes the start and end date in Google Calendar, and any description will appear in Notes. Don't forget to click on Test to make sure everything's working as expected, then turn on your Zap. Congratulations! Now every new item added to your Notion database will automatically appear in Google Calendar. For those looking for two-way sync magic, set up another Zap with Google Calendar as the trigger and Notion as the action. Just mirror the steps we followed above, and your fields will be matched similarly, maintaining synced accuracy. Now both calendars update each other perfectly, a win-win situation for busy bees.